The power of Ayatul Kursi and Dua when you leave your house. A young girl named Muniba decided to go to her sister's house one evening, and after that she walked home all alone. She reached an alley and decided to take the shortcut to her house. However, while walking, she made dua seeking protection from Allah. Halfway through the alley, she noticed a man standing at the end. She became uneasy and again read dua for protection. Instantly, a feeling of security wrapped her as though someone was walking with her. She walked past the man safely. The following day, she read in the newspaper that a young girl had been raped in the same alley, just 20 minutes after Muniba had been there. Feeling overwhelmed by this tragedy and the fact that it could have been her, she began to cry, thanking Allah for her safety. Later, she decided to go to the police station. Muniba was curious as to why he did not attack her. When the policeman asked the man, he answered, "Because she wasn't alone. She had two tall men walking on either side of her, the angels protecting her. Make sure to always do dua and seek protection from Allah."